Popost ko lang po ito sa YouTube. So, hi guys, we are...
Ako nga po pala si
Bakit
Colleen.
So, this is...
Wow, nagpa-vlog. Hi guys. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Oh, yes. Hi.
Welcome to my life.
This is my channel by Maria Darenti, 17 channel.
Okay.
This is my classmates. Say hi to Colleen.
Hi.
Say hi to Kirsten.
Hi. Say hi to Daya.
And their crush I know. I know their crushes, but they are shy to say it.
Secret to secret.
I know Kirsten's.
Ano?
There's a crush si Almir.
Oh, hindi.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. So look at the view. So guys,
Isa pa. Guys, malapit na po kami.
malapit na po kami mahimatay.